In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use demand gen to get better Google Ads results. Understanding how to effectively use demand gen can greatly enhance your advertising outcomes, giving you the edge you need in today's competitive marketplace. Let's walk through the process in a step-by-step manner so you can apply these strategies with confidence and ease. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This is where you can explore powerful tools designed to help you attract more customers through online advertising. Once you're on the Google Ads page, you'll see an option to sign in. Simply click on the sign in button, which will prompt you to enter your account details. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. After signing in, you will be directed to the Google Ads home. This is your central hub for managing all your advertising campaigns. From here, you have access to a myriad of options designed to optimize your ad performance. If you're familiar with this dashboard, that's great. If not, take a moment to explore its layout and familiarize yourself with its features. Now focus on creating a new campaign by clicking on the Create Campaign button. This is an important step as it sets the foundation for your advertising goals. After clicking, you'll be presented with several campaign objectives. For today's purpose, we're going to focus on leads. Selecting the leads option is crucial for businesses looking to capture customer interest and convert it into tangible contacts. Once you've selected leads, go ahead and click on Continue. This will guide you through the next stages of the campaign setup process. It's essential to move through these sections thoughtfully, ensuring that your selections align with your business objectives and advertising budget. Next, we're going to utilize Demand Gen or click on the Demand Gen option within the setup. Demand Gen allows you to reach users who are part of your target demographic by using engaging ad formats across Google's vast network. This is a powerful tool that harnesses the power of Google's machine learning to predict user interest and deliver your ads more effectively. By integrating Demand Gen into your strategy, you're setting up a system that's designed to attract high-quality leads, increasing your campaign's efficiency and success rate. Throughout this process, remember that each choice you make should complement your overall marketing strategy. Take time to adjust parameters and experiment with different settings to see what yields the best results. As you become more comfortable with these tools, you'll find that refining your approach becomes second nature, enabling you to achieve better results with your Google Ads campaigns. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating and optimizing ads that attract the right audience and drive real business results. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your Google Ads experience.